Welcome back to Close Up. Prior to the government shutdown, the Senate granted very rare 100% backing to a major bill called the SUPPORT Act, which targets the opioid crisis. Senator Maggie Hassan is one of the prime sponsors of the bill, which first passed in 2018 and was just renewed with the unanimous consent of the Senate. The SUPPORT Act is described as a foundation of the federal response to the fentanyl crisis, providing critical dollars for treatment, recovery, and mental health services. These recalibrated efforts to combat addiction have resulted in a reduction in overdose deaths. Senator Hassan met recently with frontline workers and service providers to discuss how to keep making progress on this chronic issue.
And we heard a lot about the importance of meeting people where they are, understanding that people who are struggling with addiction come from all walks of life, but may have particular barriers. Making sure that we're dealing with whole families, and especially the children of people with addiction who are impacted in ways that are hard sometimes for people who aren't expert in this area to fully understand and grapple with. So a lot of progress has been made. We heard about the importance of free Narcan. One of our participants today, her husband's life was saved because her children were trained in how to use Narcan. But it also has to be available to people who are living in poverty, right? Which means it needs to be free. So there were a number of good pieces of feedback I got about what we know in an evidence-based way works. And that's something I can take back to Washington and really focus on and make sure that we're getting the dollars to where they need to be so that we can really end this scourge once and for all.
According to stats released by AMR, the latest opioid overdose numbers in Manchester and Nashua show the state's largest cities still on track for record low overall suspected opioid overdoses for the year.